I am scanning the building to create a digital twin for Glass Aftercare. So they make a big list of all of the faults, and then they can embed that information into tags in the digital twin, and everybody can see what it is that needs doing. It's much easier to talk about the space with everybody concerned, so all interested parties can look at the digital twin at the same time and know exactly what they're talking about without being here. Rod, the MD of Glass Aftercare, is so keen for this stuff. Some people are visionary, and he just sees how useful it is, and he's making improvements to his own business with it, but also then it reflects straight away onto his clients. His clients get the best of it.